பதிவு உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம். வாழ்க வையகத்து.
Vanakkam. Welcome to our Redal Academy YouTube channel. In today's class, let us discuss about NTA Biology Model Paper 1. Let us discuss one by one. Question number 1. Which of the following statement is true regarding the role of acetylcholine in nerve physiology? In nerve physiology, acetylcholine increases the selective permeability of the cell membrane. So the correct option is 1. Question number 2. Bicollateral vascular bundle is characterized by bicollateral vascular bundles seen in Cucurbitaceae family members. In Cucurbitaceae family members, a xylem surrounded on both sides by phloem. So the correct option is 4. Question number 3. A few statements describing certain features of reproduction are given below. There are 4 statements given, the features of reproduction. From that 4 statements, select the option that are true for both asexual and sexual reproduction. The statements which are true for both asexual and sexual reproduction is statement 2 and 4. So the option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Question number 4. A root does not help in the absorption of water in which of the following plants? Usually, in aquatic plants, a root does not carry out the absorption process. So the answer is Pistia. It is an aquatic plant. Option 1. Question number 5. Artificial induction of roots on stem before it is separated from the parental plant for propagation is called. This process is called layering. So the correct option is 2. Question number 6. Generally, the number of integuments found in the ovule of angiosperms and gymnosperms. So in angiosperms, there are 2 integument layers are present. It is differentiated into outer integument and inner integument. But in gymnosperms, there are only 1 layer of integument is present. So the answer is 2 and 1, option 3. Question number 7. Cartilage is formed by. The answer is chondrocytes, option 2. Question number 8. The leg hemoglobin that imparts pink red color to root nodules is located in. So leg hemoglobin is a kind of pigment that can be secreted in Leguminosae family members due to the entry of bacterial species. So the answer is between bacteroids and surroundings. Option 4 is the correct answer for this question. Question number 9. A fall in glomerular filtration rate activates. So the answer is juxtaglomerular cells to release renin. It activates to release renin. So the correct option is 3. Question number 10. Epimerals are xerophiles that are generally called as drought escaping organisms. So the answer is 3. Question number 11. What is true about Bt toxin? The answer is it is an inactive prototoxin gets converted into an active form in the insect gut. So the correct option is 4. Question number 12. Identify the wrong statement regarding post fertilization. After fertilization, ovary develops into fruit, ovule develops into seed. But here, one statement is given wrongly. The outer integument of the ovule develops into tegmen. The outer integument of the ovule develops into testa. Inner integument only develops into tegmen. So the wrong statement is option 2. Question number 13. Selaginella has tendency to form seed called seed habit because it follows due to the development of heterospory and retention of megaspore permanently inside the megasporangium. So the answer is both A and B. Correct option is 3. Question number 14. Cytokinin was first discovered by. Cytokinin is a kind of growth hormone, is discovered by Skoog and Miller. So the correct option is 1. Question number 15. The term surrogate mother is used for. Surrogate mother mean a future mother with transplanted embryo. So the correct option is 3. Question number 16. Which of the following palindromic sequence is recognized by ECORI? So palindromic sequence means towards 5-3 end and towards 3-5 direction. The same genetic code has to be coded. See the option 1, GAATTC towards 5-3 direction, same like toward just opposite towards 3-5 direction, CTTAAG. So the correct option for this question is option 1. It's number 17. Removal of calcium from freshly collected blood would. Generally, a calcium is removed from the blood because of it prevents the process of blood clotting. So the correct option is 2. Question number 18. Synapsis is pairing of. Synapsis is generally called as pairing of homologous chromosomes. So the correct option is 4. Question number 19. The endometrium is found in. Endometrium is a inner lining layer of uterus found in mammals. So the correct option is 3. Uterus of mammals. Question number 20. Consider the statements given below regarding contraception and answer directed thereafter. So here there are 4 statements are given regarding contraception. From that, which 2 of the above statements are incorrect? And that there are 2 statements are incorrect. Second and fourth statements are incorrect about contraception. So the correct option is 4. Question number 21. When succinyl-CoA is converted into succinic acid, the energy storing compound formed is. During the formation of succinic acid, GTP is formed, that is guanosine triphosphate. So instead of ATP, GTP is formed as energy storing compound during this conversion process. So the correct option is 4. Question number 22. Find the incorrect pair. Here there are 3 pairs are given. From the 3 pairs, the incorrect one is distal convoluted tubule is paired with absorption of glucose. So that is the incorrect pair among the 3 pairs. Question number 23. Which part of the human brain controls urge for eating and drinking? So the answer is forebrain, option 1. Question number 24. The haploid cell which divides by mitosis to form embryo sac is. The answer is functional megaspore, option 3. Question number 25. The most common indicator organism that represent polluted water. Mostly, E. coli bacteria is a common indicator organism that represent polluted water. So the answer is option 1. Question number 26. A DNA strand is directly in the synthesis of all of the following except. Actually, the DNA strand synthesis except protein synthesis. Option 2 is the answer for this question. Question number 27. In bryophytes, anthrozoids. Usually in bryophytes, anthrozoids are biflagellated. So the answer is biflagellate, option 1. Question number 28. Lichens are ecologically important because of as they are the pioneers of barren rocks. So the correct option is 2. Question number 29. The loosely arranged non-chlorophyllous parenchyma cells present in lenticels are called. And non-chlorophyllous parenchyma cells which are present in lenticels are called as complementary cells. So the option is 1. Question number 30. By the use of biotechnology, the production of B2 vitamin has been increased to about 20,000 times in which of the following organism by the using of Asibia gossypii. So the correct option is 1. Question number 31. The role of bacteria in carbon cycle is. The role of bacteria in carbon cycle is decomposition of organic compounds. Option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Question number 32. Which of the following is the closest relative of man? So human beings are originated from chimpanzee and gorilla. So the closest relative of man is chimpanzee. Option 1. Question number 33. For transformation with recombinant DNA, the bacterial cell must first be made competent, which means. So here there are 4 options are given. From that, increase efficiency with which DNA enters the bacterium is the answer for this question. Option 3. Question number 34. If a colorblind woman marries a normal visioned man, the sons will be. The answer is all colorblind. In case a colorblind woman marries a normal vision man, the sons will be all colorblind. So the correct option is 3. Question number 35. If both ovaries are removed from the rat, the concentration of which hormone is decreased in blood? Estrogen hormone is secreted in ovaries. So this hormonal level decrease in blood. So the correct option is 3. Estrogen. Question number 36. Which of the following crops has been brought to India from the New World? The answer is cashew nut, potato and rubber. So the correct option is 1. Question number 37. The botanical name of cauliflower is Brassica oleracea variety botrytis. So the correct option is 3. Question number 38. On the basis of symptoms of chlorosis in leaves, a student inferred that this was due to deficiency of nitrogen. This inference could be correct only if we assume that yellowing of leaves appear first in due to the deficiency of nitrogen. Yellowing of leaves appeared first in old leaves. So the correct option is 1. Question number 39. The total amount of adenine thymine double stranded DNA is 60% because of, as per Chogov base pair rule, adenine pair with thymine. If the adenine is 30% and thymine also must be 30%. So both together 60%. Then the amount of guanine this DNA will be. Guanine always pair with cytosine. So here the ratio of guanine is 20% and the cytosine is also 20%. So both together 40%. Here they asked only about the ratio of guanine. So the answer is 20%. Option 2. Question number 40. Vector for Kala Azar disease is sandfly. The correct option is 1. Question number 41. Restriction endonucleases are enzymes which is used in the field of recombinant DNA technology to cut the DNA into fragments. So the answer is cuts at a specific position within the DNA molecule. Option 1. Question number 42. The first line of defense is skin act as a first line defense barrier. So the correct option is 3. Question number 43. Which of the following papillae without taste bud in human tongue? Papillae do not have any taste bud in human tongue. So the correct option is 4. Question number 44. According to chemiosmotic mechanism for ATP synthesis, the factor responsible for ATP synthesis is proton motive force is the answer for this question. So the correct option is 2. Question number 45. Convergent evolution is illustrated by is convergent evolution found in dogfish and whale. So the correct option is 1. Question number 46. In the human body, which one of the following is anatomically correct? So here there are 4 pairs are given. From that, 4th option is correct. Floating ribs in 2 pairs. Question number 47. A site of attachment of spindle fibers in chromosome lies. The answer is on the sites of centromere. Option 1. Question number 48. What will happen if ligaments are cut or broken? In case The ligament cut or broken, bones will become unfixed. So the correct option is 3. Question number 49. Biogas contain. Biogas is otherwise called as methane. It contains 50% to 70% methane. So the correct option is 3. Question number 50. Select the correct statement related to flowering plants. Here there are 4 statements are given about the flowering plants. From that, statement 1, 2 and 4 are correct regarding flowering plants. So the correct option is 3. Question number 51. Which statement is not true for binomial system of nomenclature? According to binomial system of nomenclature, the first word is generally called as generic word. The second name is called as species name or specific epithet. So according to the binomial system of nomenclature, the option 2 is incorrect one. Number 52. Airlining is performed in case of. The answer is lychee. Option 4. Question number 53. Blood group AB as. Generally, blood group AB do not have antibodies. So the answer is no antibodies. The correct option is 2. 54. Which of the following is flowering plant with nodules containing filamentous nitrogen fixing microorganism? So here there are 4 options are given. From that, the correct answer is Casuarina equisetifolia. Option 1 is the correct answer for this question. Question number 55. A mammary gland is a modification of. Answer is sweat gland. Mammary gland is nothing but it is a modification of sweat gland. So the correct option is 1. Question number 56. Which of the following plant material is widely used in the preparation of culture medium? The answer is Cocos nucifera is widely used for the preparation of culture medium. So the correct option is 2. Question number 57. Which of the following show higher rate of respiration? So rate of respiration little bit higher in germinating seeds. So the correct option is 4. Question number 58. The main function of lacteals in the human small intestine is absorption of. Lacteal ducts are used to absorb fatty acids and glycerol. So the correct option is 4. Question number 59. Hammerling's experiments of Astableria involved exchange of. Answer is rhizoid and stalk. So the correct option is 3. Question number 60. Alpha diversity is biodiversity present in. Usually it is a kind of biodiversity found within a community. So the correct option is 1. Question number 61. Ranthambore National Park is situated in. The answer is Rajasthan. This park is located in Rajasthan. So the correct option is 2. Question number 62. Mycorrhizae is a symbiotic association between and roots of higher plants. So the correct option is 2. Question number 63. Adrenaline is directly affects synoatrial node. So the correct option is 1. Question number 64. Which is the correct pair for an edible part? So here there are 4 pairs are given, and tomato, maize, guava, date palm. Among the 4 options, date palm is correctly matched. Date palm with mesocarp. So the correct option is 4. 5. Reproducing new plants by cells instead of seeds is known as. The answer is tissue culture. New plants are developed from cells instead of seeds by tissue culture method. So the correct option is 2. Question number 66. Who discovered ribosomes in animal cells? Ribosomes in animal cells are discovered by Palade. So the correct option is 4. Question number 67. GIFT involves a transfer of. So here there are 4 options are given. From that the answer is a mixture of sperms and ova into the fallopian tube is generally called as GIFT. So the correct option is 3. Question number 68. Contractile vacuole of amoeba placed in salt water. Immediately it will disappear. So the correct option is 2. Question number 69. Eutrophication is caused by. The answer is sewage and agricultural fertilizer. So the correct option is 4. Question number 70. When you hold your breath, which of the following gas exchanges in blood would first lead to urge to breathe? The answer is rising carbon dioxide concentration. So the correct option is 2. Question number 71. Weberian ossicles are found in. So these are kind of ossicles found in fishes. So the correct option is 3. Question number 72. In Drosophila, the allele for normal gray body color capital G is dominant to the ebony body small g. The following table summarizes the results of several crosses. So in the tabular column, crosses are given and the result also given. Among these 4 crosses, which strains have the genotype capital G and small g? The answer is second and fourth cross. So the correct option is 4. Question number 73. Which type of mouthparts is present on the lateral sides of the pre-oral cavity in cockroach? So the answer is mandibles and first maxillae. So the correct option is 3. 4. The biomass available for consumption by the herbivores and decomposers is called. It is generally called as net primary productivity. So the correct option is 1. Question number 75. Which of the following wavelength of light is absorbed maximum for photosynthesis? Answer for this question is blue light is absorbed maximum for photosynthesis. So the correct option is 2. Question number 76. Cytochrome oxidase contain. The answer is Fe. Option 1. Question number 77. Tetanolysin is produced by the name of the bacterium Clostridium tetani. So the correct option is 3. Question number 78. What is true about Nereis, scorpion, cockroach and silverfish? All belongs to phylum Arthropods. They all possess a dorsal heart. So the correct option is 1. Question number 79. Passive absorption of water is related to all except. The answer is development of a positive pressure in xylem. So the correct option is 3. Question number 80. Emerson's enhancement effect and red drops have been instrumental in the discovery of. The answer is 2 photosystems operating simultaneously during photosynthesis. So the correct option is 2. Question number 81. Biopiracy means. The answer is exploitation of bioresources without authentic permission is called as biopiracy. So the correct option is 4. Question number 82. The chief water conducting elements of xylem in gymnosperms are. The answer is xylem fibers are chief water conducting elements in gymnosperms. The correct option is 2. When a cell is plasmalized, it becomes flaccid and its turgor pressure becomes 0. So the correct option is 1. Question number 84. Corona got Nobel Prize for the discovery of genetic code. So the correct option is 2. Question number 85. Gauss principle of competitive exclusion states that no two species can occupy the same niche indefinitely for the same limiting resources. Is the answer for this question? So the correct option is 3. Question number 86. In tissue culture medium, the embryoids formed from pollen grains is due to. The answer is cellular totipotency. So totipotency means the ability of living cell to produce an entire organism. So here the correct option is 1. Question number 87. The embryo of man is protected by. The name of the cavity is called as amniotic cavity. The correct option is 1. Question number 88. Select the correct statement regarding protein synthesis. So here there are 4 statements are given. From that the correct one is option 1. When the small subunits of ribosome encounters an mRNA, the process of translation begins. Question number 89. Chloride shift occurs in response to. The answer is bicarbonate. Option 1. Question number 90. An antiviral chemical produced by animal cell is. Answer is interferon. It is generally called as antiviral protein. Is produced by the animal cell. So the correct option is 2. Thank you very much for listening our videos. Those who are watching our edalacademy.in.